side, ask about me. When you on the north side, ask about me. I'm the hottest nigga in the hood. 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 I'm the narcotic king, call me sire. Night after night, light the club on fire. Get a little tipsy, anybody seen Maya? I'ma have her screaming for a back like Kaya. Now we in the penthouse, they in the lobby. Gooch frames on, I don't see nobody. Damn little mama, I'ma need your body. Up against mine like new Armani. I blend with the money like a good fade. I'm a Knick fan, we need a good trade. Tattoos make your dude feel gnarly. We pop bottles, waitress can't call you. Ask about me, got it cheaper than Jeezy. Red Cafe, money taller than Weezy. Fix all fight, shorty, I ain't losing. Now everywhere I go, here I'm hollis moving. And the beat goes on, 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 and the beat goes on. I'm the hottest nigga in the hood. 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 The cafe's back, wake the haters. System in the big wheel, wake the neighbors. Selling 8 balls might as well be boosted. That's a little flip like the rap from Houston. Ladies, you can ride in the Mercedes and play with Ross Fortune if you born in the 80s. Uptown niggas say that boy is wavy, but I keep it simple like fuck you pay me. Damn, it feel good to see people up on it. Since I delivered every pie that was ordered. Hood favorite.